I'm here today with a panel of downtown experts to discuss the recently released Building on Recovery for Urban Place Management, a publication of COVID-19 recovery strategies that was a result of a research partnership between Stantec's Urban Places and the International Downtown Association. I'm joined by Jonathan Tinney, an urban planner and geographic leader for Stantec's Urban Places practice, Kathy Lynn, the Director of Research for the International Downtown Association, and Beth Weirick, the CEO of Milwaukee Downtown, bid number 21.
The need that inspired this report is the one you hear about in the newspapers every day. Our downtowns are sort of being challenged by retail closures, the loss of office employees within the downtown core. And now that things are starting to turn around, they're really looking for strategies and plans to move things forward and be able to sort of build things back better than they were.
So we wanted to develop this report to understand the top priorities and how organizations are beginning to address those concerns. Recovery is going to look a little different in each community, but downtowns and core urban districts have been disproportionately impacted by the pandemic and will need a targeted recovery effort, particularly to maximize the new funding that's becoming available.
We know moving forward in our recovery, active streets, the utilization of what was formerly parking spots and turning that into ways for our restaurants and our retailers to enhance and improve the economic vitality. I think that will be something that we'll see that is a success story for us and that we'll continue to implement moving forward.
I think the key is looking at the pandemic as an opportunity to test case new ideas. I think, we're looking at changing the face of local retail, allowing, an emphasis on local retail, but also allowing local retailers to expand beyond their immediate neighborhood.
Urban Place Management Organizations, as a trusted convener that bridges the public and private sectors, can propel their downtowns and urban districts forward in a lot of different ways, increasing affordable housing, promoting diversity and equity, supporting independent entrepreneurs, additional green spaces, improving sustainability and mobility. There's really no end to how downtowns can move forward.
Well, as we all know, the impact of COVID was quite challenging for our community as well as other communities across the country. But what we learned from that is new and innovative approaches. We looked at ways in which we could utilize funding, dollars, and innovation to build our downtown for the future. So many of the programs that we implemented during COVID will be programs that will be with us for a long time.
So thank you, Beth, Kathy, and Jonathan for joining us here today. It was a really great conversation, really informational on how our downtowns can look to recovery for the future. For anyone interested who's watching today, you can download the full report that we discussed from the link on this page below. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.